Cuisinart takes your stovetop cooking to a new level with the professional Collection Premium Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. Cook foods up to 70% faster than conventional methods. Place ingredients into the pot, seal the lid, and let the pressure cooker do all the work. Let's look at the pressure cooker starting from the bottom. Here is the induction-ready base cooking pot with cool grip handles, lid, silicone sealing gasket, red safety valve gasket, pressure regulator, pressure release valve, red safety valve, and a handle with lock and unlock settings, which secures the pot when cooking. Before you start cooking, some important points to note. There is a max fill line located inside the pressure cooker, which is 2/3 full. When cooking foods that expand, such as rice, we recommend only filling the pot half full. Use at least 1 cup of liquid when pressure cooking for 10 minutes or less. When cooking time is over 10 minutes, use 2 cups of liquid. So, let's get started on our recipe. Most of your favorite recipes can be easily converted to cook in the pressure cooker by reducing the time up to 70%. With your Cuisinart stovetop pressure cooker, you are able to brown foods in the stainless steel pot in order to develop richer flavors prior to pressurizing. Place the ingredients into the pot. Use the lid handle to lock the pressure cooker by turning it in the counterclockwise direction. Slide the pressure regulator to the desired pressure level. Always check the pressure release devices and silicone sealing gasket prior to use. The red safety valve must be fully down to and level with the black lid to properly seal the pot before cooking. The silver ring will be completely hidden below the level of the lid. When placing the lid on the pressure cooker, the pressure release valve should always be facing away from you. The red safety valve will raise up, fully exposing the silver ring to indicate pressure is rising and the lid is double locked and cannot be open. Never attempt to open it during pressure cooking. As pressure increases, there will be a steady stream of steam coming from the pressure valve. The heat on the stove can now be reduced to maintain steam from the pressure release valve and the desired pressure level. There are 2 release methods available that will open the lid. First is naturally depressurizing. Turn off the heat source and allow the pressure cooker to slowly cool. And the second by turning off the heat source, then sliding the pressure regulator to the quick release setting. Use caution when quick releasing the pressure, as hot steam and water vapor will be released from the pressure release valve. All internal pressure has to be released fully prior to opening the pressure cooker. If the lid handle is difficult to rotate, this indicates the cooker is still pressurized. Once the red safety valve is completely down and level with the black lid, turn the lid handle clockwise to align the arrow with the unlock symbol and remove the lid. It works on all stovetops, including induction. Cook your favorite flavorful and healthier foods up to 70% faster with the Cuisinart Professional Pressure Cooker.